Girl, you don't know how I feel. Since you've been away.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something different. We're not going to be doing a vlog or a makeup video. I'm going to be doing something with my amigas, my chitas, my sisters, my besties. All of them are here today. We're going to be cooking. We're going to be doing the spicy noodle challenge. So I'm just going to go around. And they're gonna introduce themselves, and I'm gonna have all their information linked down in the bottom. So Achol, start. Introduce yourself.
My name is Achol. I'm Malak.
And then we got Lizzie behind the camera, you know what I'm saying?
I'm Elizabeth. I'm
college. Nobody asked you that.
Science major. I'm 17, turning 18, during 26.
Get out.
Anyway.
So right now we're just cooking the noodles. Elizabeth, can you show us what they're doing?
Sure.
So as you can see, the water. We have the water boiling right here, and we're just about to open the noodles. It's just like regular. Stop. It's just like regular noodles. As you can see, it has the package, and I ordered these from Amazon. I'm gonna also link where I got them as well. And she's just dropping it in there, and we're gonna cook it for 5 minutes.
Make sure you get the crumbs in there.
Yeah, you want to get the crumbs and stir it around.
These are the sauces that basically kill you.
So yeah, while that's cooking, I don't know. While that's cooking, we're just gonna wait for it to cook.
Bye.
I'm gonna talk to you guys later. So we're back again. The noodles are done cooking. So right now they're gonna be putting in the sauce and the flakes. Yeah.
Why, who gave you the sauce? You don't even know how to pour sauce.
Oh my god.
Look at all that sauce in the bag.
You said I was done.
Why don't you open it fully?
I was, but I already started pouring.
Should I stir?
Yes.
Teamwork makes the dream
You
work,
said you would put
baby.
the grass and you put the grass.
Grass. Eee! It's on my hand. I'm scared. No, I'm scared. I'm scared. Don't come.
Hey, bro, I'm really dead.
Hold it. I can't do it from the corner.
Look how still is my hands are. No movement.
Has been on my knee. You're blocking the view alike with your arm.
That's not my.
You gotta mute that part.
They're gonna see how mean you are to everybody.
Exactly, rude.
Once I know which one it is.
That mug look hot.
She's blocking the view.
Okay, Elizabeth, as a camera woman, should be able to.
Why is that mug in my tongue already? Why do I feel it in my tongue?
I'm getting hot.
The fumes are in my
I'm
tongue.
hot.
The fume bus.
Let me get the milk ready.
Okay, it's all done.
Okay, Elizabeth, come over here.
Something in there.
So right now I'm gonna get the milk ready because you know it's gonna be hot.
Milk.
Milk. That's what you're supposed to drink when you drink hot stuff.
This one don't even look the same like it does on YouTube.
I told you were supposed to stir fry it.
No, like it looks like that, but like now that I have it up close in person, it smells so good, guys.
No, it doesn't.
This video really captures character.
What napkin is this?
Oh, I thought this said we don't have any milk.
Yeah, wait. Now you gotta clean the oven. I mean the.
Yeah, because I'm gonna get on my head. I don't even like milk like that. It makes me throw up.
I like spicy food and I like milk, so this is gonna be a perfect combination for me.
Okay, that's why you're straight.
Okay, you get the most. Take this.
Yeah.
Oh, you like milk?
No, I don't drink milk.
Can you give me a little bit more?
So I shouldn't pour you milk?
No.
You want more?
Just a little bit.
I'll just
Enough.
drink cranberry juice.
I'm gonna get water
juice,
because I don't
Nicole?
like milk yet. This is your house.
Give him the light, so. Alive.
Oh my god.
Walk, bro.
That one's a nice one. I like her. That's my friends. These are my friends.
Oh, I have chocolate milk. I don't need one.
You're a kid. A child. A child. Ready. It's almost time. Should we divide it or just get?
No, let's get.
Everybody get separate forks, yeah. I already done my fork. Actually, I don't want the activated cookie.
Yeah, because I'm just gonna be hotter.
Oh man.
Hello. Is that cranberry juice?
Yeah.
I mean, we can't drink after our first bite.
Yeah, you can.
No, you take 2 bites and then you get your.
Yes.
You take 2 bites and then you
I think I even be hot.
I know. I might not be hot. I'll be boosting. I was like, you're getting in my eye.
Let me get your eye. I hope you get your eye. It's not hot.
We need the scissors so we can cut it like that girl from Tuna.
She was like,
I'm scared. This is too much and I'm full. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Dang, good job.
I'm trying to get it off my fork.
I appreciate you. You're a triple G.
I'm already scared of chicken.
I like spicy food, so.
Okay, I do, but like I don't.
On your marks.
Wait, y'all got little pieces. I'm
Yeah, a little small piece. Hold on.
No, you like spicy food, so take that chunk. Nah.
Y'all see her? Ready? Ready? Nicole, get in the view. You're not in the view.
I'm already getting a headache.
Ready, set.
Get around. Yeah,
Ready,
you just
set.
do that for no reason.
1, 2, go. They didn't eat it. Y'all suck. They didn't eat it. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
All right. Ready?
Yeah. It's gonna taste nasty. Can I take a little bit? Let's go.
Okay, ready? Okay.
That mug not spicy. I told eat it.
It's peppery.
The milk is over here. Alak, have you ate it?
Yeah.
No.
Wait, I need to get the milk or no?
Hey man, I like spicy food.
Listen, Alak, you didn't get enough.
I haven't had it.
I'm straight. They're weak.
You didn't eat it.
Yeah, I did.
I didn't see
Our
it.
plane is not even that hot.
Why'd you drink? No.
It's burning my nose. Yes.
It's in my nose.
It's burning my lips. Like, are you?
Y'all got your drinks?
They started drinking.
I didn't drink it. No, I didn't drink.
I'm
Sorry.
When y'all watch it, y'all go back and y'all watch the video. Watch me. Part 2.
My mouth is burning. I have a headache.
It's actually not.
That mug spicy second time around.
I didn't even finish mine. Why is it still burning? I'm hot. I'm the only one feeling this?
It's not that hot yet.
No, I'm hot.
I get 2 or 3 bites.
Yeah, take that.
I got 2.
I'm done.
really pushing
I'm
on
done.
Yeah, we see that.
I can't eat after her. Y'all see she's putting it back.
It's hot.
Wow.
How do you feel right now?
Just spit it up.
Hey, be careful, dude. I'm not sleeping with her tonight. Oh, we're not sleeping all good.
She gonna fart up the whole thing.
Not fart. Booty gonna be.
My throat is hurting.
This noodle's weird.
Hold on.
Nah, it's starting to kick in, bro.
Her nose is running. Ah!
It's starting to kick in.
When you take that second,
Oh my god.
take that second bite.
You are hot. She did want to list.
I would. I haven't taken a sip yet. But now I
I'm
will.
done. That first bite, my lips are on fire. That second bite. Yes, y'all get it, y'all. Turn face the camera.
And it's kind of nasty.
The noodles are still right.
I did no ice. What's wrong? How hot is it?
Oh my gosh. It's really on fire.
Is it hot?
I like spicy food. It's that hot. Y'all already exaggerating, y'all.
So how do you feel after eating it? She can't talk. How do you feel like?
Butt's probably gonna be burning by 2.
My tongue just burns, you know? My nose is running too. My eyes are just a little bit wet. But
My mouth is on fire. I'm sweaty. My headache has increased, and I just want to say, do not try this at home, kids. Do not.